Hi guys, Editville Spanish. Welcome to my channel. It's another day, every day. Um, Here I am waiting in the car. It's a service day. Hope you gonna like this video because it's a variety of event happening here. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, comment, and I subscribe you. Service day, guys. Grabe ang init, guys. Summertime. Well, malapit na namang matapos ang summer. February. March, mag-i-start na ang autumn. And then 3 months autumn, winter. So March, April, May, autumn. June, July, August, winter. September, October, November, spring. Lumabas ako ng car kasi mainit sa loob ng car. Waiting ako. Service day. So, ayan. Sa bahay na. Gumawa ako ng tea. Well, sa gabi, medyo okay na. Hindi na ganong kainitan. So, okay lang na lumabas. Pag daytime, ay grabe. Pwede kang magluto ng itlog, guys. Sa sobrang init, walang biro. Ang init dito sa Australia, maglabas ka ng kawali na may itlog. For sure, luto yan. Sunny side up. Okay, we're here to this momentum. So autumn na, so medyo okay nang maglabas-labas sa autumn day dito sa front yard. After my cleaning inside, so sitting relaxing here now. Pinagpawisan, mukhang nasunog na naman ako. Nasunog na naman. dito ko. Kakape. Ayan guys. Nakalinis na rin ako sa small shop inside. Nakalinis din. Ang aking keyboard nandoon pa. Kakailanganin ko ng stand. Nakalinis din kahit papano. Holder. Nakalinis sa mumunting shop. Konti pa ang linis. General cleaning to ulit guys. Mula nang umuwi ako, hindi pa ako nakalinis. Yan, I'm happy. Kahit papano nakalinis din. Hi guys, gagawa ako ng sandwich. Brioche bread, French bread, brioche, cheese. Nag-slice ako ng tomato. And then nag-slice ako ng slice ako ng onion. Slice ako ng onion guys. Tigisan lang natin. Sarap yung manipis. Ang sandwich ay napakapal siya. Kailangan manipis. Kaiiyakin mo naman ata ako ng onion. Sakit sa mata. Ayan, tomato sauce. Lagyan ko siya ng... hindi ko nalagyan ng butter. Straight. Hindi ako kakaya. Sige na nga. Lagyan nga natin ng butter margarine. The other side. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Simple lang. tomato sauce. And then, pahiran ko nga ng butter ito. Imagine the other side. Pahiran natin ng margarine. Bago kasi ito guys eh. Hindi ko pa nabuksan. Where is the... There it is. Yan natin ng margarine to. Margarine. Now, lagay natin siya dito sa babaw. Brioche bread guys, it's a French bread. They're expensive but they're really delicious. Okay, there. Now, i-preach natin ito. Preach. Okay, guys. Ako na, aking pamasa. natin. Yan, lambot niya. Hmm. 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 Sarap ng brioche. Ayan, habang nagawa tayo ng tea. This is the morning today. May mga binago ko. Ayun. Antok. Antok pa. Good morning. Grabe guys. Wala pang suklay. Kagigising lang. Wala pang ilamos. Ay, naku day, edit. Wala pang hilamusan. Wala pang suklayan. Laging antok. Laging antok. Ano na naman kaya ang gagawin ko today? Let's find out what the event gonna happen today. But I'm sure I already cleaned everything. So whatever happened, I just did already my cleaning, and I'm happy that I already cleaned everything. But still there's more to clean, just a bit. Pasensya na kayo sa itsura, no suklay, no hilamos. Hi guys, my first order for today. Our strawberry cream pancake. Yep, I am ready receiving order now guys. Get your orders too. We have Filipino halo-halo as well. We have available now our Filipino halo-halo. So sa mga Pilipino, order na kayo sa mother and daughter. Ayan guys, ganyan ang order. Ang driver parating na ng arriving soon. Ayan, nag-order ng strawberry cake, pancake. You went to the front window.
Yeah.
Barbecue. Ayan guys, na-pick up na ng na-pick up na siya ng na-pick up na siya ng driver. Ngayon ito ang lalabas. Order history, delivery progress. My first order after my cleaning. So delivery in progress now. So that's how it work. This order, the order machine of online ordering. So we're receiving order with this, and then we accept, we review, and then accept if there's available stock can be made and delivered, or we can contact customer if the product or the food is not available, and we can contact as well the driver and the main office of delivery. And if I will have a customer here direct to my window, I have this ATM tap and go payment as well if there's no cash. Tatapon basura. Medyo mahangin ata. Hangin kaya gawa tayo siya. Naku, medyo mahangin. Delikwado ang hangin. Okay. Ganyan siya. Yan ang delivery pick up. Yan ang order. Ganyan siya. Hi guys! Ito na ang ating sahog sa ating halo-halo. So, meron ako ditong jackfruit. Minamatamis ko siya. So, to be ready for topping to our halo-halo. And meron din ako dito black beans. So, ito yung aking spoon. Yep. Minamatamis ko rin ang ating black beans for halo-halo. Yep. Hindi pa nadidissolve yung sugar. So, mamatamisin niyang black beans at ang ating langka. Yan. Since summer dito, kailangan nating magpalamig. Pero patapos na rin ang summer guys. Kasi March na. So, ayan, mamatamisin ang langka at ang black beans. Ayan guys, ini-slice ko ang black jelly. From ano yan? From can. So, imamatamis ko siya. Ilalagay ko rin siya sa halo-halo. Buo pala yan. Ayan o. Ito. Grass jelly. So, buo siyang lalabas. Tapos, ayan. Kakat natin. Tapos, meron din akong kaong dito. Ayan. ba yan? Kaong na red and green. And then I have my evaporated milk. Ayan, we have black jelly. We have minatamis na langka at minatamis na black beans. Ayan na ang ating halo ingredients. Lalagyan ko pa yan ng mango and peach fruit. Okay guys, mother order. Halo. Mother and daughters, halo. There it is. We have langka, black beans, and kaong. And we have mango, peach, black jelly, corn, and to be delivered soon now, next door. Okay, here's our halo. Yan, luto na ang ating champorado. And yeah, the champorado already cooked. Is it the drink?
Yeah.
So, doing my YouTube vlog.
Okay.
I will not show you. And this is the pizza.
Oh, pizza.
Yeah, pizza and 2 drinks there. And you are Christopher. Yeah, nice to meet you. Enjoy your day.
You guys used to be out on the main road.
Okay guys, this is our receiving area for the delivery pickup, so they can put their bag here and put the food to their bag. We have donut here now. The receiving area for delivery, and the people who want to dine in here order. It's really hot summer. It will cook the egg here guys, you know. And that's the receiving area. This is another if someone want to dine in. So I put some tables and chairs. Ganyan siya. Ganyan ang tablet kapag waiting for orders. Open.